How to fix Instagram chat not showing or loading up. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Instagram when chats are not showing up or loading. So sometimes when you try to chat, all of the chats right over here will not show up. So what you can do to fix the problem is, first of all, check whether you have a stable internet connection or not. To do that, if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. And now try to load your chat, but if it still doesn't show up, go to your app store or play store and then search for Instagram. Now as you can see, it currently says open, meaning my app is currently up to date, but if your app is not up to date, it will show update where it is currently open. So simply update the app. Sometimes if your app is not up to date, it will restrict some features and it may be the cause why your chats are not loading or showing. So that might be one of the reasons behind your problem. Now try updating your app and see whether the chats load up or not, and if it still doesn't load up, what you can do is go to your settings. After that, go to apps. Now locate your Instagram and then go to storage and cache. Now clear both your cache as well as all of the storage of your Instagram app. And now once you've cleared all of that, simply go to your Instagram and log into your account again. And after doing that, the chats will surely show up or load this time. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.